So I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off, when I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you love my Insta Sponge videos, so I'm kicking it up today and showing you how to prepare a chocolate version. You don't necessarily need an Instapot though. You could prepare this in your Ninja Foodi or a regular convention oven, whatever you use to bake this. You only need 4 simple ingredients, so let's get started. This is what you will need to add to your mixer: 120 grams of sugar and 4 room temperature eggs. This cake doesn't have any butter or oil, so you'll need to rely on all the volume from whipping these eggs to give your cake its structure. Be sure to take out your timer and set it to 15 minutes. Now, once you have this beautifully thick consistency, go ahead and sift into the bowl 100 grams of cake flour or all-purpose and 20 grams of cocoa powder. Do not skip on this sifting part because it's very important you don't mess up this easy recipe and end up with any flour pockets in your cake. Now gently mix everything together, being careful not to deflate the egg foam, and once you no longer see any streaks, add it to your greased and floured cake pans. Now guys, if you're making this in your Instant Pot, you have to work with 3 6-inch cake pans, cover them with foil and cover a little slit for the steam to escape, and add some water to your pot and place your cake onto its cake rack. Pressure cook it for 20 minutes and you're gonna quick release the steam once it's done. If you're using your Ninja Foodi, go ahead and add it to either a 6 or 8-inch cake pan, and we're gonna air crisp this, so there's no need to add any water to the pot. Just place it onto the rack and air crisp it for 20 minutes. Lastly, if you're using a normal oven, place it in there, preheat it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Now, whatever you're using to bake this, once the time is up, you'll need to prop either the oven or the lid of your Ninja or Instapot slightly open and allow it to cool while it's turned off for at least 10 minutes. If you take it right out and immediately plop it onto a cooling rack, it will deflate, so this part is very important. This cake is screaming for either some tres leches to be absorbed into it or some heavenly rich custard filling. It's incredible how simple this complex cake can be baked up. Out of the 3, I think I prefer the Ninja Foodi air fryer texture. Which one do you guys like best? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.
Myself.